Hi and welcome to the 10th and final part of this house build series from Sakunikon, Thailand. Today we take the house to completion, or at least 99% of the way there. First we're going to prep the driveway for a concrete pour. And install a sliding rail for the gate. Steady as she goes, lads. Beautiful. Just adding a wall to the outside deck, which will be the laundry area and potentially an outside kitchen. And the guys have taken down their temporary shed, and we just got old mate with the tractor around again to level the land, ready for planting out or for putting on sheds or garages, or whatever the prospective purchasers plan to do with it. The house is now on the market. That is the finished result. Then we move on to the gate. Give another quick coat of paint. So we've added these wood effect foam tiles. Here we got a 1,000-litre water tank, a water filter and a Hitachi pump, and they'll be free with the house when it's sold. So going inside, you see the lights on. Here's the kitchen, circuit breaker, the gas hob, extract fan, the outside area. Going into the bedrooms. And the main bathroom, although the two bathrooms are exactly identical, i.e. this one and the ensuite, mirror images of each other. And the main or master bedroom. We've added an air conditioner, which will be with the house when it's sold, 18,000 BTU. And here's the ensuite. Again, just the same as the other bathroom. And the finished product. Just a couple of things to remove there, the scaffolding and so on, they're already gone. So in terms of timescale, the process has taken almost exactly 9 months. We started with the merit making ceremony around about the 15th of June, and the time of posting here is the 15th of March, so pretty much exactly 9 months. Here's just a little nighttime fly past so you can see the lights, and there in front, that's our own place. And a quick fly past. So thanks very much for watching this video series. That's much appreciated. Hopefully you found it enjoyable. We're not quite finished yet. So there's the house that's just been built, but if we go over here a little bit, this patch of land with me standing on it there, we've just recently bought and dumped 400 trucks worth of soil, so that's about 2,000 tons of soil onto what was former paddy field. So that's in anticipation of the raining season, so that we now just leave that to bed in. And we'll start building 3 more houses there soon. So very much hope to see you again soon on some future videos as we start that new build process.